Carpenter website template with Divi. Discover 2 stunning Carpenter website templates with Divi. One is a budget-friendly premium option, while the other is absolutely free. Perfect for showcasing your craftsmanship. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Let's check out the premium option available in the Divi marketplace. This beautifully designed Carpenter template is available for just $12. If it catches your eye, it's just a purchase away. Let's explore the live demo. Starting with this striking hero section, it draws visitors in with a compelling image that highlights your craft, perfectly setting the tone for customer engagement. Moving down, we find the Our Services section, creatively laid out to present your specialized skills and offerings, enticing potential clients to learn more. Next, the Our Features section stands out, showcasing key benefits and unique selling points, ensuring your business offerings shine. The Pricing section is up next, clearly presenting your service rates. It's designed to assure clients of transparency and value. The Contact Us section is essential, providing an easy-to-fill form for clients to reach out, facilitating seamless communication. Finally, the footer is thoughtfully organized with support links and crucial contact details, including your office's phone number, email, and address. Now let's explore the free option that comes with the Divi theme, once you've downloaded and installed it. Here's the demo. Our tour begins with the captivating hero section, designed to make an unforgettable first impression with a professional, welcoming vibe. Next is the What We Do section, efficiently outlining the breadth of your services, clearly communicating your business strengths. In the Services section, information is meticulously arranged to highlight your primary offerings, ensuring potential clients understand what you excel at. Then, the About Us section tells your story, adding a personal touch and building trust with a narrative about your journey and expertise. Finally, the footer, complete with a Contact Us form for client inquiries, alongside your office address, email, and open hours, ensures every visitor knows how to connect with you efficiently. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.